Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I got a 19-inch rack mount shelf here that's not doing me any good right now. So I thought about maybe what I'll do is, since I got Baofengs out the yin yang, I'm going to go ahead and mount, like 5 of these in here. Then what I'm going to do is just go ahead and use the existing power supply for the radio for the charger, but I'm going to go ahead and cut off the cable itself and have it all neat tied down. Then I'll hook it up to a power supply. These are an oddball power supply. They recommend 10 volts. So, and the output is a 1/2 amp. So if I have 5 of them, it's 2.5 amps. So, 4-volt power supply would be plenty enough. But then I could just run 5 of these at the same time if need be off of one outlet, one power cord, instead of running all 5 of these and having these all over the place with long cords and crap. So might work out all right that I could just mount it in my rack or mount it wherever I want to put it. So all right, I'll be back. All right, I'm back now. I went ahead and double-sided tape these to the rack. So with that being said, now they won't go nowhere. So I cut each lead 2 foot long. Then I pushed on shrink in between each of these, so that'll help hold it in place. Get a little closer there. Then I put some shrink on this to kind of make the bend. Then I just separated the wires, soldered the positives and negatives all together, then separated it out with 2 pieces of wire. So red's hot, black's ground. So I'll just get a power supply. Then I can rack mount this back in my rack, or mount it out in the garage or in my shack or wherever at. Then I can just charge 4 batteries at once off one plug instead of using 4 transformers. So I think this will work out really cool. So we'll be able to Baofeng it up. And just remember, don't transmit outside your band.